Well, this is a document that talks about black hole, and it was created by Perplexity AI. And I just plug in this document into NotebookLM, and then I created this different content using the new AI feature from NotebookLM. So I was able to create a blog post, which is the kind of format that is quite popular on a website and also personal blog. And also, I created study guide. This is actually the format that is quite popular in NotebookLM because it is helping students to learn any subject from any resources. And lastly, I created this explanatory article, which sounds and look kind of similar to a blog post, but perhaps with a slightly different tweak. But overall, these are different and new formats that are now possible to create with NotebookLM. And not only that, you can even create your own custom format when you want to generate a report based on a notebook that you just created in NotebookLM. So let me show you how you can create new reports using this new AI feature in NotebookLM. And if you want to use this new feature, you have to navigate to the web version of NotebookLM because there is no update about this feature in the mobile version, so you have to use the web version. Now, after that, you can either open the notebook that you have on your account, or you can create a new one. And in this demonstration, I'm going to create a new notebook, and it's going to be based on this document that talks about how to replace battery on Google Pixel 10 phone. I have downloaded the document as a PDF format, so I just need to drag and drop the document into this area and just wait for the document to be analyzed and summarized by NotebookLM. And only after that, we can generate reports based on the content. Okay, now to generate the report, you can click the reports button. And there are some options like you can create your own custom format. It's up to you, it could be anything. And there is also the briefing document, study guide, and blog post. And by the way, you can also modify the prompt or the instructions that you want to send to AI in order to create that kind of document or that kind of content. And that's, I think, very useful if you want to slightly tweak the way AI generating the content. I think it's very, very useful. And lastly, this is actually my favorite feature because now AI will analyze the content and will give you some suggestions about the kind of format that you can create based on all the content or all the resources that you have on your notebook. So like in this example, the document was actually about guide or how to guide. And that's why you can see that there's the process overview, there's training manual, instruction text, and concept explainer. But if you use a different kind of content or different document, then the suggestions could be different. Let me give you examples about this document or this notebook that talks about understanding electricity units, and you'll see the suggestions are very, very different. The AI is quite adaptive. It understands exactly what's going on in the content and will give you the most appropriate options. As you can see here, there's the option to create safety briefing, and this one doesn't exist on this Pixel 10 battery replacement topic. So I would say this is very useful if you want to create a custom format content based on your notebook in NotebookLM. Now, I'm going to create, let's say, a process overview. I'm going to just click generate, and by the way, you can select the language that you want. And after that, just wait for about 1 or 2 minutes until AI finishes creating the content. Well, finally, after more than 3 minutes actually, the document has been created. Now, there is no download button yet, but at least you can copy the content with formatting. Just click this copy button, and then you can paste the content to tools like Microsoft Word or perhaps Google Docs, and it will retain the same formatting as the way the content appears in NotebookLM. So let me just open a new document in Google Docs, and after that I'm going to just right click and click paste from Markdown, and there you go. So this content was created or was suggested by the AI in NotebookLM. So that's basically how you can utilize the new reports feature from NotebookLM. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.